Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Bobby Fame here, and today we're doing some fish cakes at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, these are not ordinary fish cakes, but you start with some celery, some onion, some garlic. You know all about that. Head on over to our website to check it out, and we want to cook it down, right? Maybe in a little butter. Just break it down like that. Oh, man. And, of course, you want to season it. Use your favorite seasoning, right? Now you mix the Ritz with the leafy green parsley stuff. Just look the other way. And here we're going to add some fresh sea scallops, right? You could use a bay scallop, chop them up. And here we've got some nice fresh shrimp. We're going to chop those up. This is all going to be a part of the stuffing. Now you could add what you want. You could add some clam in there. You could add some haddock, whatever you want. Now, use your God-given hands and mix it. And you want to get the right amount of moisture. You may have to add a little bit of water, a little bit of beer, maybe some apple juice to get the right amount of moisture so you can make a cake. Right? Makes sense. And this is the hard part, making cakes while drinking a beer. Doesn't really work, if you know what I'm saying. Gets all over the place, all right? So you better make a bunch of these. They'll go down fast. There's nothing like fish cakes, especially in the cold winter night. Yeah, just perfect. Again, this is part of the Fish Fest, and now it's ready for the oven. Now throw it in your oven at maybe 325 degrees Fahrenheit, right? And we'll cook them through. Won't take long at all. Oh, man. It's going to be good. Meantime, kick back, relax, have a couple cold beers, enjoy the good life around you. Oh, man. And in a miracle of time, this won't take long. These fish cakes are done. Take a look at that. Lord have mercy. We're eating good tonight, Martha. Wow. Nothing much more to say. Except we want to dedicate this to our brother Mike, or Moose, BBQ Pit Boys for life. Oh, man. Can you smell that? It smells good. And don't let a little winter bother you. It's the best time to have some fish cakes. Oh, yeah. This is why you want to make a bunch of them. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.